Just some quick notes. You cannot install a radiator thicker than 27 millimeters like the Arctic liquid freezer, because you will hit your VRM heatsinks and you won't be able to install your CPU 8-pin power cables. Now you can see that I've only installed an RX 9070 XT from ASUS. This is a thinner model. You can install bigger and larger GPUs like this RTX 5080 from ASUS, but you notice that the card, because of the size, it will eventually sag. It will sag and you will need your anti-sag bracket. I don't really recommend something like this. Doesn't have the integrated anti-sag bracket. And if you're ever going to mount this on the side, you can see that the card does fit, but it might be too close to the glass using the integrated vertical mount kit, and you won't be able to use it because the fans will be literally right up against the glass and the card will not be able to breathe. Also, if you want to take a look at the back, the rear, the integrated vertical mount only has 2 slots. So at most you can probably fit the ASUS Prime card, 2.5 slots, but anything more than that, the card will literally be up against the glass. One other quirk that I'm looking at is that the case should have reusable PCIe slot covers instead of the one-time break time cover. It does add extra cost, and for the price of this case, I'm not really complaining, but it could be something they can add for a few more, a few more cents, a few more dollars. You can look at the back, look at the rear. It does fit a really long PSU. It is 170 millimeters, I think. It is the Prime PX 1300 watt. And I didn't even bother the cable manage. You can't even see the cables inside because there's enough space for it. I can't really complain for around $65 to $75. And it can go lower when it's on sale, around $58 last time I checked. So you're getting a very affordable, very functional, nice looking case. You just can't complain. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the updated cooler testing video that is months behind schedule.